How's it going, everyone? John here, and today I'm bringing you an unboxing video. Technically, this is the third one I've recorded. Chronologically, it's the third one I've recorded. Today we'll be unboxing this. The Elgato HD60S. A very nifty piece of hardware. I don't think I need to move the laptop for this, so you get to see my lovely background. Anyway. So, without further ado, let's get started. I should actually explain the Elgato HD60S for you. The Elgato HD60S is a game capture device. It allows you to capture the image off a PlayStation 4, Xbox One, Nintendo Switch, Nintendo Wii U, and if you have the converters for it, I believe you can, if I'm not mistaken, you can add whatchamacallit, the older generations like Wii, GameCube, stuff like that. I've seen people do it, so you should be able to. You just need an adapter for it so it turns into an HDMI input instead of the, Anyway, without further ado, let's get started. It's really simple, honestly. It's just a game capture device. Plastic wrap. I want to get this done as quickly as possible. That's why I kind of rushed through the explanation. It's really hot in here for some reason. Stream, record, audio, record instantly. This, unlike the HD60, has instant game view, if I recall correctly. Voila, the HD60S. Honestly, this thing is smaller than I thought it would be. Oh, and some wires. But my goodness, this is a lot smaller than I thought it would be. Here it is. It's about the size of the palm of my hand. As you can see. It's literally the size of the palm of my hand. Or a little bit bigger than that, actually. And wow, all the power in this little device. Impressive. Shout outs to Elgato. I'm not sponsored, by the way. That's not an ad. I paid for this. I mean, it'd be great if I eventually got a sponsorship from Elgato, but who knows? Maybe if my channel gets big enough. If you guys like and subscribe enough. I think this is a manual. I don't know. I'll look at it later. This is a USB 3.0 cable to go in here, I believe. I believe it goes in here. That's HDMI. Oh! It comes with an HDMI cable. For those of you who watched the monitor unboxing. Speaking of the monitor unboxing, this unboxing and the monitor unboxing that I just mentioned and the Asus FX 503 unboxing all share a part 2. So go watch that as well. They should all be uploaded on day 1. But yeah, as I was saying, for those who watched the monitor unboxing, the monitor comes with a DVI cable and a VGA cable, but not HDMI. So I was short one HDMI cable. Shoutouts to Elgato. Again, not sponsored. If they'd like to, they're more than welcome to sponsor me. I have seen great things from the products. A man I know to be a giant perfectionist. He is a perfectionist of the highest orders. Uses only Elgato products where available. He uses their Cam Link, their 4K 60 Pro, if I'm not mistaken. Their green screen. I think he has 2 green screens actually. For when he uses it. Oh, that's nice. Elgato said you pick a sticker too. Now, if I had a desktop PC instead of a laptop, like the one I'm recording on and the what I unboxed that I'll be streaming from, starting this Saturday. Actually, it would be yesterday. At the time, if you're watching this on day one, sorry, I streamed first time from it thing, and tomorrow I'll be streaming Monster Hunter World using this exact capture card. Come watch, Facecam PS4. Finally get to do it. But yeah, shout out to Elgato. I needed an HDMI cable and they provided. Because obviously, the HDMI cable that comes with the PS4, the Switch, the Xbox One. I have a Pro for the PS4. I'm going to get an Xbox One X. And I have a Switch. All in black. Because... Well, as we can see, and I'm sure if you look, you can see the table's color is black as well in the other videos. It matches my setup. I'm actually getting a black chair. Sort of. I'm taking a chair my dad has that it doesn't need. It's black in color. Not really getting it. I'm receiving it. But anyway. Oh, it's 6 minutes already. Jesus. Anyway. This is actually... Shoutouts to them, honestly. I needed an HDMI cable and they provided. It's too bad it doesn't say which ones it is compatible with. I know their website says, you know, the Wii U and the current gen consoles, which is the Switch, the PS4, and it actually says that it includes an HDMI cable in here. I don't actually understand why they include an HDMI cable. I mean, you'd think that they just assume that everyone has an abundance of HDMI cables. I mean, if you have 2 consoles, yeah, you have 2. The Switch comes with one and the PS4 comes with one, so... And I mean... I'm actually curious if this, It doesn't mention anything about game... Oh, wait, no. I actually barely know how to use this, so I'm going to try it out. Before I do the part 2, I'm going to make sure it works. So yeah. It says in the box, PS4 and PS4 Pro, Xbox One and One S. I'm also guessing it works on the One X, since it works on the PS4 Pro, and the Nintendo Switch, you know. Oh yeah, the last one's the Nintendo Switch. It works on the Wii U. I know that's on their website. Built-in editor. I don't know what that means. I really don't. Although I believe you can use this as a video capture device. Where do we get that game capture software? The one that's on the box. This one. I think it's on their site. It's crooked. Sorry. I don't know how to straighten it. I'm a beginner at this. This is like my 3rd video recorded. After the monitor and the thing. But yeah. Nifty piece of software. I'm glad I bought it. I'll be using it often. I stream Monster Hunter World Monday and Wednesdays. Or whatever. I stream whatever, honestly. I just currently stream Monster Hunter World Monday and Wednesdays. Pokemon on Saturdays. Ooh, and with Pokemon, Let's Go Pikachu and Let's Go Eevee, I'm gonna need the HD60S or an HD60 Pro, I guess. I don't have a desktop, so the Pro is useless. But I will be buying one, and a 4K 60 Pro for switching between PS4 and Switch. Because honestly, Xbox One X, there's only one Xbox games I want to get, so I won't really LP it or play it at all on stream. But yeah, that is the Elgato Gaming HD60S capture device. Stream and record instantly, as it says. You guys can look at the box online. If I try and zoom it in, yeah, see? Stream and record instantly. But I believe that's going to be the end of the video. I've been going for 10 minutes. I think a lot of that was rambling. I said I would try and not do that, but maybe next video. Who knows? I'm a rambling person. Like, if y'all stick around long enough, you know, like, subscribe if you're new, and all that jazz. If you stick around long enough, you'll know I just ramble a lot. Come to my streams. I tend to bounce topics. But anyway, let's end this off. Thank you guys for watching. If you liked it, hit like, hit subscribe if you're new. If you didn't like it, as like Linus Tech Tips like to say, hit dislike, and maybe subscribe. And you know what? Maybe subscribe and hate watch. I know there are a lot of people on YouTube who do that. They'll subscribe to someone and watch every single video just to hate on them in the comment section. I do read every comment, by the way, because I have it said that I have to approve it. So, yeah. I may not respond, but I do read them. I have to approve them, so I have to read them. Anyway, I'm going to end off the video. I'll see you guys next time. And as always, stay bright.